Managing multiple TikTok accounts. Here's how to switch between them quickly. In this video, I'll show you how to add and manage up to 5 accounts on the same device. Ideal if you're running a business account, splitting content niches, or keeping personal and creator profiles separate. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your main account. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This takes you to your TikTok profile page. Now tap your username at the top center of the screen. You'll see an option that says Add Account. Tap that, and TikTok will let you sign up or log in using another phone number, email, or social media account like Google or Apple. Once you've signed in, TikTok automatically switches you to the new account. To switch between accounts, just tap your username again at the top of your profile page. From here, you can easily choose any of your logged in accounts. TikTok allows up to 5 on one device. If you ever want to remove an account, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, then tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Log Out and select it. Tap Log Out and you'll see a final message asking for confirmation. Tap Log Out again. You can now easily add and switch between multiple TikTok accounts on one device. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.